Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to be bringing you this video today because I've managed to find a working method on how to get free fetch rewards points. You're able to get 100,000 free points in fetch rewards working in 2025. This is super easy, guys, because it uses a redeem code that you can enter in the app. So this is going to supply you with 100,000 free codes. If you don't know how to enter redeem codes, here is a step-by-step, guys. Basically, you need to open your app, tap the security code box to automatically copy the code, and then you field and paste it into the field, paste your code, and it's going to unlock your rewards. So this method is super easy. I'm going to show you these fetch rewards codes. Like I said, once you redeem them in app, it's going to supply your account with 100,000 free points. So use your mobile phone and open up the internet, and you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So spell cold coupons exactly like this, guys, to go to the website. This is an awesome website I discovered for when I was actually searching for something else. But I noticed they had this fetch rewards points code. So what you're going to need to do, guys, is either scroll down and look for it, or if you can't find it when you scroll, click in here and search for fetch. And here we go, fetch rewards points, free points. You can get 100,000 free fetch rewards points, and this is working in 2025, highly rated, tons of people doing this. So click on show full code. And like I said, this is going to unlock a redeem code that you can use in app, and it's going to supply you with your free points, allowing you to get tons of rewards. So it says here, your coupon code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification, and it says your code is locked. Now, what you're going to need to do, guys, I've already done this, so I don't want to do this again. Basically, there is a one code limit per person. Prevents people from stealing all of these codes. But what you're going to need to do is tap on get full code, and you're going to see a new screen. It's going to talk you through how to unlock your fetch rewards points code. It will take you a few minutes. If this is your first time visiting Cold Coupons, you may need to complete a couple of free tasks. I had to do a free survey, and then I also did a free mobile game. It took me about 5 minutes. And if you do everything correctly and follow the instructions, your code will be unlocked, and you can redeem it in your fetch rewards app in the redeem code section, and that's going to supply you with 100,000 free points in fetch rewards. And yeah, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy working in 2025. So head on over to Cold Coupons and just find the fetch rewards points page. Make sure you fully unlock your code, guys. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.